Hello, good day viewers. Into this tutorial we are going to see this question 11. Determine, also we are to determine the V naught and what an ID in this figure below. So what the next thing that we are going to do, we have first identify this diode, is it on or off. So in the last video we talked about when two diodes, but gallium arsenide and silicon, all in the same direction, so are they going to move in the same point or not? So therefore the value of the silicon diode, it is smaller than what? It is smaller than what? What I mean is that the silicon, it has 0.7. So therefore, why the gallium arsenide has 1 point? So 1.2, it is higher than this silicon. This silicon there, which is 0.7. So therefore, they cannot fast, but only this silicon can fast. So therefore, then we will off this. If we off this, this will be able to pass. So therefore we off this, but in this case we have the same thing, which is a silicon. So what are we going to do? Are we going to off one again and what, use one, or whether you are going to go with them, or whether we are going to say they will off? So in this case they will what? All of them will on, all of them will on. As usual, this is on. So how can we do? So we can first come across here, come across and move here to find V naught, and we can come across here, come across and go straight to the ground, so that what? So that we can find the current, and we can also use from V naught here to find our current. What method did you prefer? So let's first use the V naught. Let's first use this and find our V naught. Let me drop this or rise it. It is rising, but let me drop it. If it is dropped, the rest will be what? Will be rising. So therefore it will now be plus what? Plus 0.7. Again, when it comes here, it will be plus what? Plus 0.7. When it comes and ends as this should now be what? Should now be, okay, sorry, I have V naught. I will add V naught, it is equal to 0. So this and this plus it will give me 1.4, and therefore I have minus 16 plus them. So plus what? Plus V naught, it is equal to 0. As usual, this and this, it will give me what? It will give me 14 point something. If I say minus 1.6 plus what? Plus 1 point, okay, minus 16. Minus 16 plus, sorry, minus 16 plus 1.4. So this should now be what? Negative 14.6 plus what? Plus V naught, it is equal to 0. The V naught will keep as it is. Therefore, the negative 14.6 will cross the equal sign, so it will now be 14.6 volts. So this is the voltage. So if I am to find the current, I'll just say this to here. So this should now be V naught minus 4.7 ID. I have this. So let me say this is the same equals to what? Minus 4. Because if I put negative 4, I will confuse some. So therefore this should now be V naught, it is equal to, when this crosses the equal sign, it will be minus. Okay, it will not cross the equal sign. Because of what? Because I'm dealing with this current. I'm going to find my ID. So I have to substitute this 14.6 minus 4.7 ID, it is equal to minus 4. So what is the next thing? When this crosses the equal sign, it will be negative. So I'll have minus 4.7 what? ID should now be equals to minus 4 minus again 14.6. Yeah. So this should now be minus 4.7 what? ID, it is equals to minus this minus this. 4 plus 14, it will give me what? 18 point what? 18.6. But I'll have what? Negative sign. Divide both sides by minus 4.7 by minus 4.7. This will cancel this. Negative will cancel all negatives. So the ID should now be equals to, if I said this divided by 4.7, what should I go into again? 18 point what? 0.6 divided by 4.7. So this should now be what? 3.957 what? Milliamps. So, and also if you are to find the current using the second way, you can come across from here to here to here, off to this ground. So this is all I have for you for this 11th question under the diode circuit. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.